Hey everyone, my name is Brian, back again here with Hostirian, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to overcome social media marketing anxiety. Let's get started. Now, I can't tell you how many times I've talked to people, business owners in particular, that were just super worked up about how to post and what to post on social media. So I decided that I want to go ahead and make a video, share this out with everyone, and help people that I have not spoke to yet with this topic, right? Because it can be so easy. So let's dive right in. I got 4 tips for you, not in any particular order. So let's just get it. Tip number 1 is to don't be afraid to share other people's posts, right? So you have no idea where to start with your social media marketing. You can start off just by sharing things that you thought was valuable. Right? Now that could be an article that you read, that could be a video that you saw that was super entertaining and helpful. It could be a post. It could be just some words, a statement, a quote or something that was valuable and worked for your brand. So the key to it is you want to make sure that whatever you share from someone else, it matches your brand, it's still professional, and then also it's valuable, it's helpful. Right? Now that's something that's in the value is in the eye of the beholder, kind of like beauty. Right? So you can really be super lenient right there. Obviously, you don't want to post something that's like incorrect, or you don't want to post something that's like a bold-faced lie. But you want to stick to something that you read it, you enjoyed it, you liked it. Post. Simple. Right? Now, when you look at the commentary, the caption that you put in there, it can be super easy. You can do something like "good read." That's it. You don't have to write this long paragraph. You don't have to take a long time trying to figure out, how to really make certain parts of that post pop out. Just make it super easy. Good read. Hope you like. Keep it moving. All right. Tip number 2 is hire out. All the really successful, uber successful people, if they have things in their life that they don't enjoy doing, they don't want to do them, they don't know how to do them, they hire someone else to do it, right? There are social media marketers all over the world, so you don't even have to choose me. There's other people out here too. And just find the one that matches your style, right? Someone that you can get along with, you think they can capture your flavor, right? And they can really put that out into the world in a way that makes sense for you, in a way that makes sense for your customers. Because you got to keep in mind, your social media marketing for your business, it's not for you, it's for your customers. Right? That's what it's all about. So if you can find someone that can help you capture that, that's a win. That's a win. All right. So make sure you do your research on them. Okay. So make sure you read some reviews. You make sure the price point's in the spot that makes sense for your business. And don't fall for those scams, right? So if someone tells you they're going to get you 1 million views in 3 days, right? Something crazy like that. Or 1 million likes or something like that in a couple days. Don't fall for those scams. Take your time. All right. Which brings me to my third point here is that be patient. When it comes to social media marketing, it takes time to really build your audience up, right? And what I mean by building your audience, I'm talking about the loyal audience, the ones that always like, always comment, always share, that kind of thing. You got to think of this like you're building a relationship, and you're building a relationship with people you don't even know. They don't know anything about you. So it takes some time to have those connection points, those bonding points, so they know that they trust you, they value you, they like you, right? So consider any type of friendship or relationship that you've been in that was really great. It didn't just start off where it is now. It took some time to get to that point. You had to get to know each other a little bit, right? What's your favorite color, right? What do you like to do on the weekends? that kind of stuff, the simple basic stuff. It takes time. So just like in real life, it will also take time to build those connection points in your audience online as well. Okay, take your time. So my 4th one. Now this is something that is really important, not even just for social media marketing and business. It's really important for all parts of life. So take this one to the bank if you want, deposit it, because it's no judgment. Stop judging yourself, or at least start by judging yourself less. Jesus. There's so many things out here that people just judge themselves and they collapse the idea that something could be great because in their mind, they told themselves that it can't. So guess what? It can, because you collapsed the idea already. And I got to tell you a little secret. No one gives a shit. If people don't like your post, they're going to scroll right past it. And you're forgotten. You're forgotten. So it's not even worth the energy worried about how it's going to be great. I see people that are freaking out like, oh man, my hair is not where it needs to be. I got a smudge on my glasses. Does my breath stink? No one's gonna know in the video, right? I mean, you get my point here. I know I'm being kind of funny and silly with it because that's how funny it is to me. Like, just stop judging yourself. Give yourself some grace. Know that you're gonna practice. You're gonna get better. And if people don't like it, so what? You're never gonna make everyone happy, right? So those are my 4 tips. If this was helpful for you and it was valuable, make a comment. Comment in the comment section and tell me which one of these tips helped you out the most and why. All right, and don't forget to like this channel or like this page. I'm sorry, blah, 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 blah. See, I just messed up, but I'm not gonna judge myself. Make sure you like this YouTube video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment and tell me which part of these tips helped you out the most. All right, make it count, everyone.